How to delete YouTube channel permanently. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you have multiple YouTube channels or no longer wish to use YouTube and are considering deleting your YouTube channel? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. Open YouTube on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Make sure you are on the correct channel that you want to delete. If not, tap on switch accounts to easily switch between channels. Once you are in the correct channel, tap on the Google account option. Your default browser will open up, redirecting you to the Google account management page. Tap on data and privacy. Scroll down until you see the download or delete your data section. Once you have found the mentioned section, select delete a Google service. Use your password or passkey or fingerprint to confirm it's really you, or choose another verification method to log in. Once you have verified and logged into your account, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see the delete icon next to YouTube. Tap on it. You will be redirected to this page where you will see your channel name with the associate email address. Please confirm it before proceeding. Once confirmed, open the I want to permanently delete my content drop-down. Here, you will see two check boxes. Tick both of them. Finally, tap on Delete My Content button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Enter the email address associated with your channel as shown in the last line. Once you have entered it, tap on Delete My Content. I don't want to delete any of my channel at the moment, but make sure you tap it and your channel will be deleted immediately. Also note that only your YouTube channel and related data will be deleted, not your entire Google account, so there's nothing to worry about. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.